Hey guys, Mandy here with a fun activity that you can use in your centers or as a group in your classroom or even at home if you're a stay-at-home mom and want a fun shape recognition activity to do with your kids. So this is simple because all I did was take a piece of white paper, draw some shapes on it, and then I took construction paper and I cut out the same shapes and made them look like pumpkins. So this is great for fall. All you have to do is give the kids the sheet of paper and the pumpkins and let them match the shapes on the sheet of paper. Here's a quick video of me doing this activity. Now, if you want to keep this little activity for longer than just the one day, I would laminate it and make it a little more durable that you could use it each year in your classroom. So, let me know what you think. I hope you like this activity. Feel free to like and subscribe to this channel to get more videos like this. And I will see you next time. Bye.